Hello guys, this is JESSA CABATAY again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to answer the activities in Chapter 6 entitled Network Layer. First activity, we have IP characteristic. Instruction. Read, read each IP characteristic, then click the connection list, best effort, or media independent to indicate its delivery method. So first we have packet delivery is not guaranteed. So I put here in best effort. Next, we have fiber optic cabling, satellites, and wireless can all be used to route the same packet. So I put here in media independent. Then does not guarantee that the packet will be delivered fully without errors. So I put here in best effort again. Then we'll adjust the size of the packet sent depending on what type of network access will be used. So I think it's part of media independent. Then no contact is made with the destination host before sending a packet. I think it is for connectionless. Then we'll send a packet even if the destination host is not able to receive it. Then, congratulations, you have matched the IP characteristics to their delivery methods. Next. Next, we have Activity Part 1, IPv4 header fields. Instruction. Read each IPv4 header function and then click the IPv4 header field to which it belongs. So, the IPv4 header fields are version, differentiated services, time to leave, protocol, source IP address, destination IP address. First, identifies the priority of each packet. So, it belongs to differentiated services. Then, identifies the IP address of the sending host. So, it is part of source IP address. Then, identifies the IP address of the recipient host. I think it is part of destination IP address. Then, next, always set to 0100 for IPv4. So, this is a version. Then, commonly referred to as hop count. It is part of time to live. Then last is the protocol. Then it identifies the upper layer protocol to be used next. Then You have matched the IPv4 header function to their fields. So all the answers are correct. Next activity, we have IPv6 header fields. Instruction: read each IPv6 header description and then click the IPv6 header fields to which it belongs. So first, when this value reaches 0, the sender is notified that the packet was not delivered. So it is a half limit. Then classifies packets for congestion control. It is traffic loss. Then identifies the size of the data portion of the packet. It is payload length. Then identifies the application type to the upper layer protocol. It is part of next header. Then it's always set to 0110. So it is a version. Then last we have flow label, and it is suggests that all packets receive the same type of handling by IPv6 router. So you have matched the IPv6 header description to their fields. Next, next activity we have identify elements of a router routing table entry. So these are the choices, then the instruction. A partial router routing table entry is shown. Each section of the entry is identified by the circled letter above it. Select the correct routing table entry section for each output. First, the elapsed time since the network was discovered. So I choose letter A. Then the administrative distance, source, and metric to reach the remote network. I choose letter C. Then 3. How the network was learned by the router. I choose letter A. Then shows the destination network. I think it is letter B. Then the next half IP address to reach the remote network. I think it is letter G. Next, the outgoing interface on the router to reach the destination. Last letter, gigabit Ethernet. Then I check if it is correct. So I have successfully chosen the correct router routing entry as described. Next activity, we have activity descriptions of router functions and hardware part. Instruction. Description of router function and hardware parts are provided in the table. So these are the choices. First, connect router to external network, usually over a large distance. I choose one interface because wide area networks are used to over a large distance. Next, a way to remotely access the CLI across a network interface. So it is a telnet or SSH. Then connects computers, switches, and routers for internal networking. It is local area network. Then a local port switch uses USB or low-speed serial connection to manage network device. I think it is console port. Then last is the AUX port for managing router using telephone lines and modems. Then check if it is right. So I have successfully matched the router component names to their function description. Next activity. We have the router boot process. So first step we have performs post. Second Second step we have load bootstrap. Then third step we have load the iOS. Then last step load the configuration file from flash. So you have correctly listed the order of the router boot process. I think it is the last activity for chapter 6. So thank you for watching and listening. Don't forget to subscribe.